Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to monitor customer NPS scores. Now, what's NPS? Net Promoter Score. So how do you monitor customer NPS scores in Hubspot CRM? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM account, which of course I have done right here next to this. How can you create an account on HubSpot? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to either create an account or sign in using an existing account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. Now, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to monitor customer NPS scores. From this homepage, check the top corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs: Contact, Conversations, Marketing, Sales, Commerce, Service Automation, and Reporting. Now, head over to the Service tabs. You're going to find an extended menu that says Tickets, Feedback Surveys, Knowledge Base, and Customer Portal. Now, go ahead and click on Feedback Surveys, and that's going to take you to the Feedback Survey window. Now, keep it in mind that for you to unlock customer feedback, you have to subscribe to the Service Hub Professional. Okay, and once you do that, you'll be able to ensure your customers feel heard and valued throughout their journey with CRM powered surveys, so they stay longer with you. Now, go ahead and click on Upgrade to Service Hub Professional or start a free 14-day trial to subscribe to that. Now, once you've already successfully subscribed and you head over to this particular window, this is what is going to be shown. This is a preview of what it's going to look like. So here you're going to find submissions and you're going to find analyze. Now, for you to be able to monitor your customer NPS scores, you're going to have to head over to this analyze tab. And once you get over here, you will now be able to monitor your survey views. You're going to see the number of views. You're going to find the submissions. You're going to find text submissions. And of course, you're going to find the NPS result, where you have promoters, that's the number of people who responded positively. You're going to find detractors, that's the number of people who responded negatively, and you're going to find a total breakdown of the score of your NPS score over here. And even when you get here, you're going to find the NPS breakdown, where you have the total percentage of detractors and the total percentage of passive responses, and also the total percentage of promoters. So detractors you get from 0.6, and then passives you get 7 to 8, and then promoters you get from 9 to 10. So this is pretty much how you can monitor the customer NPS score. So you keep monitoring to see the survey views, total number of survey views, total number of submissions, total number of text submissions, and of course the NPS scores that is divided into 3: detractors, passives, and promoters. This is going to help you keep tabs with the NPS scores in your Hubspot NPS survey. All right, so this is actually pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.